You got a dream, oh, now it's you, a dream, oh. Tell me if you get on. Yes, I get me, oh no. Now I think I know. Oh, you have to know. You need for be special somebody to me. And when I let you, I will talk to you because you deserve the best conversation. Oh, I'm not gonna talk to you without somebody. When you tell me something will make me happy, you need for look me inside me eye and talk something sexy. But first of all, you need for know if I like you, and if I like you, then eye contact, electric shock, the sunlight in the eyes, and the sea sharp smiling. So I'm like, oh. That boy just did the right thing, and the girl will surely come to life. But if you not talk the talk, and I not see the face where like, you not go get inside the heart. So I get me, yes. Now what do you say? Oh, I like what you say. That story day. I remember because you understand the girl. So why now? Tell me more. What do you get for say? Tell me more. Put the light on me mind. Make me mind so exciting and out of excitement. Oh my God, that's so funny. And I come to life because you say the things we are like for you. But until, first of all, you need for make sure say, I like your face, I like your smile, and then eye contact. If I not like you, I look away and I smile to you. But if I like you, oh, I kinda like so exciting inside of me. So yes, if you want to know the sky high, only the one I like see the me, because it's a moment secretly, and the eyes of the one I like make me get so vulnerable. You know, you've been there, you've done it, you know the line. Some people can really get to you. They make you happy. They get the best of you. Just like me, I come to life. With a right conversation, you make me happy. And I'm so, wow, like the dude behind my head. Information, you're talking to me. I'm like, wow, I love it. I love the things you say and the way you smile. It makes me wow. I love. And when I like your character, then everything goes so easy. So until I like you, you will never know the me.